Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change the color of your notes on Instagram. So first, let's head over to the Instagram app and just go to your profile page. And next is just click on the bubble that writes share a note. And from here, we can start by writing the words mindful, demure, and cutesy. Just by including these words on your notes will change the notes color into light pink. Next is just by including the kiss emoji and the word Sabrina Carpenter will get you the light blue color on your notes. We can also change the color of our notes into gold just by simply typing the word gold, as you can see in our example here. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily change the color of your notes on Instagram. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!